your nail polish.
Don't mess it up!
What guy is stupid enough to go out with? Aiden! OMG! Courtney, I have an idea!
What?
Okay. How do you feel about Hunter Aiken? I have this idea, and you would be, like, perfect for each other. Here, you should see my wedding album. I'm such a perfect wedding planner.
No thanks. He's not even moderately attractive.
No, Courtney!
Get off of me!